What if I told you that you're only scratching the surface of what AutoDS can do? Yeah, as you know, AutoDS helps you find products and automate your dropshipping business, but there's a whole other level to this platform that most sellers haven't even touched. Have you ever wondered why some sellers seem to just crush it with AutoDS, while others are left wondering what the secret sauce is? Well, today, we're diving deep, peeling back the layers and uncovering 5 hidden AutoDS features that are absolute game changers. We're talking next-level automation, powerful analytics, and seamless integrations that can take your dropshipping game from 0 to 100, real quick. Stick around because by the end of this video you'll not only know about these secret weapons but also how to use them to unlock the full potential of your business. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with a feature that's so powerful, it can literally transform how you handle your product listings. Whether you're a seasoned dropshipper or just starting out, this tool is designed to make your life significantly easier and your business more efficient. I'm talking about the AutoDS Bulk Listing Editor. This isn't just any ordinary tool, it's a game changer in the world of e-commerce. Now imagine this, you've just found a bunch of awesome products you want to add to your store, like maybe 20, 30, even 50 at once. Manually editing each one would take forever, right? The sheer thought of it can be overwhelming, especially when you have so many other aspects of your business to manage. That's where the bulk editor swoops in to save the day. It's like having a superpower at your fingertips, allowing you to make changes to multiple listings simultaneously with just a few clicks. We're talking about editing titles, descriptions, prices, even adding your own branding all in one go. Imagine the time you'll save and the consistency you'll achieve across your entire product range. And to prove it's a game changer, let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah is not just any entrepreneur, she's a go-getter who runs a successful home decor store. But like many of us, she was stuck in the rut of manually uploading products one by one. It was tedious and time-consuming. Each product required individual attention, from writing unique descriptions to setting prices and ensuring everything was perfect. The process was draining her energy and eating up valuable hours that could have been spent on other critical aspects of her business. But then, she discovered the bulk editor. It was like a breath of fresh air. Suddenly, she could upload products in bulk, optimize their titles and descriptions, and even set her desired profit margins all at once. The tool allowed her to maintain the quality and uniqueness of each listing while drastically cutting down the time spent on manual edits. She could upload products in bulk, optimize their titles and descriptions, and even set her desired profit margins all at once. The result? Sarah saved hours of work each week and her sales skyrocketed because she could list more products faster. She was able to focus on marketing, customer service, and other growth strategies, knowing that her product listings were in good hands. The result? Sarah saved hours of work each week and her sales skyrocketed because she could list more products faster. She was able to focus on marketing, customer service, and other growth strategies, knowing that her product listings were in good hands. The bulk editor didn't just save her time, it empowered her to scale her business more effectively. This, right here, is the power of working smarter, not harder. The bulk editor is designed to streamline your workflow, reduce errors, and ensure that your listings are always optimized for maximum visibility and sales. It's about leveraging technology to do the heavy lifting so you can focus on what you do best: growing your business. Let's dive a bit deeper into the features. The bulk editor allows you to make bulk changes to your product titles, ensuring they are SEO friendly and attractive to potential buyers. You can tweak descriptions to highlight key features and benefits, making your products more appealing. Pricing is another critical aspect. With the bulk editor, you can adjust prices across multiple listings in one go. Whether you want to apply a discount, increase prices to match market trends, or set specific profit margins, it's all possible with just a few clicks. Branding is also a breeze. You can add your logo, customize templates, and ensure that every product listing reflects your brand's identity. Consistency is key in building trust with your customers, and the bulk editor helps you achieve that effortlessly. Before applying changes, you can review everything to ensure accuracy. This feature minimizes the risk of errors and ensures that your listings are always top-notch. It's like having a second pair of eyes to double-check your work. Once you're satisfied, simply hit Apply, and watch as the bulk editor works its magic. In a matter of seconds, your changes are live and your store is updated. It's that simple and efficient. The impact on your business can be profound. By saving time on manual tasks, you can focus on strategic initiatives that drive growth. More products listed means more opportunities for sales, And with optimized listings, you're more likely to attract and convert customers. And if you ever need help, the AutoDS support team is always there to assist you. They can guide you through any challenges and ensure that you're getting the most out of the bulk editor. The bulk editor is just one of the many powerful tools that AutoDS offers. From automated order fulfillment to advanced analytics, AutoDS is designed to help you succeed in the competitive world of e-commerce. So if you're ready to take your dropshipping business to the next level, start mastering the bulk editor today. Embrace the power of automation, work smarter, and watch your business thrive. Remember, in the world of e-commerce, time is money. The more efficiently you can manage your product listings, the more time you have to focus on growing your business. The bulk editor is your secret weapon to achieving that efficiency. So dive in, explore its features, and transform the way you handle your product listings. Thank you for joining us in this journey to mastering the bulk editor. We can't wait to see how it revolutionizes your business. Happy editing. Okay, let's talk about a feature that's all about staying ahead of the competition and maximizing your profits: price automation. Now, pricing your products right is crucial in dropshipping, right? You don't want to price too high and scare away customers, but you also don't want to price too low and miss out on profits. AutoDS's price automation takes all the guesswork out of the equation. It's like having a built-in algorithm that constantly monitors your competitors' prices and adjusts yours accordingly, in real time. You can set your desired profit margins, and AutoDS will automatically adjust your prices to ensure you're always making the most out of every sale. Think about it. You can sleep soundly at night knowing that your prices are optimized, even while you're dreaming up your next big business move. No more manual price checks, no more spreadsheets, just pure automated efficiency. Now, let's talk about streamlining your fulfillment process, because let's be real, nobody wants to be stuck manually processing orders all day. That's where AutoDS's auto-ordering system comes in, and it's about as close to magic as it gets. Imagine this: a customer places an order in your store. Instead of you having to manually go to your supplier's website, place the order, and fill out all the shipping details, AutoDS does it all for you, automatically. Yep, you heard that right. This feature acts as a bridge between your store and your supplier, seamlessly transferring order information and even updating tracking numbers. It's like having a personal assistant dedicated solely to fulfilling orders 24/7, and the best part, it's incredibly easy to set up. Alright, let's talk about making smart, data-driven decisions to take your business to the next level. AutoDS's Performance Analytics Dashboard is your secret weapon for understanding what's working, what's not, and where the biggest opportunities lie. We're talking about in-depth insights into your sales, profits, best-selling products, and even your customer demographics. Imagine being able to see your most profitable products at a glance, or identifying trends before they even happen. This dashboard is like having X-ray vision into your business, allowing you to make informed decisions that lead to real, tangible growth. And during those peak sales periods like Black Friday or Cyber Monday, this dashboard becomes your best friend. You can track your performance in real time, identify any potential bottlenecks, and optimize your strategies on the fly to maximize your sales. Now, for all you multitaskers out there running multiple stores or using a bunch of different tools, this one's for you. AutoDS's multi-store integration feature is all about connecting the dots and creating a seamless workflow. Imagine this: you can connect your AutoDS account to multiple sales channels like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and even your own Shopify store. This means you can manage all your listings, orders, and inventory from one central location. No more jumping between different platforms and struggling to keep track of everything. And it doesn't stop there. AutoDS also integrates with other powerful tools like Zeek Analytics for product research and marketing automation platforms. This level of integration is all about saving you time and energy, so you can focus on what really matters: growing your business. So there you have it, 5 hidden AutoDS features that can completely transform your dropshipping business. From automating your listings and pricing to streamlining your fulfillment and gaining deep insights from your analytics, AutoDS has everything you need to succeed in the competitive world of e-commerce. Remember, knowledge is power, and now that you're armed with these secret weapons, it's time to put them into action. Don't forget to subscribe for more insider tips.